Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back. I have a unboxing, unbagging, unsomething video for you. This is my Amazon. Got it from Amazon, my Amazon Prime. Let's see what it is. Bubble wrap. I got bubble wrap, guys. Nah, I'm just kidding. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, enough. What is it? Bam! Life Around Two Angels. Fresh handmade goods. Oh my gosh, this is delicious. 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 I'm not ASMRing, but I do ASMR videos. If you want to check that out, I'll leave that in the link description down below for you. But anyways, I haven't done ASMR video in a couple weeks. I feel so bad. I have stuff. I got this. I got honeycomb. It's not melty like the other ones in the videos, how it melts and drips and slimy and all that. This is organic honeycomb. I gotta do an ASMR video on this. Okay? It's gonna be up soon, I promise. I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow. And I have slime. Woo! Go ahead and subscribe if you like that stuff. If you're into that stuff. Sometimes it's weird. I don't know. Whatever. You only live once. Okay, back to this video. Life Around Two Angels. What are these? It smells so good. These are bath bombs. I had ordered this 2 times before, and I don't usually take baths, but when I do, I would love to have some beautiful smells, and these are great. Wonderful, don't stain. Where's my scissors? There we go. So here we go. We're gonna open it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, everything is handmade. Everything is handmade. Let's undo this paper to show you. Okay, so here we go. There's the bath bombs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 bath bombs for $26. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I don't know, like 3, 9, 18. I don't know, it's like $2.50 each or something. These are cheaper than Lush. I love Lush, don't get me wrong. It's just that I don't want to spend that much money sometimes. So it comes in beautiful flavors. They smell delicious. They're all in different colors. They're basically the same things that I got last time, but it's delicious. For example, like mango papaya. Look how size. It's like the size of a large jumbo egg. Mango papaya. Let me tell you the flavors. Lavender, which is purple. Fun on the beach. Fun in the shower. Melon ball, which is orange. Love. Lemongrass green tea. Victorian rose. Angel. Black raspberry vanilla. Ooh. Kiwi and strawberry. Yum. And shea and coconut. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, these smell so good. I highly recommend this. I get this on Amazon. I have Prime, so I get this shipped ASAP to me. I'm not gonna use one. Ow! I'm not gonna use one now, but I'm gonna use one later. So this is what I got. I highly recommend this. So if you're looking for a bath bomb that's a good price and is good quality and is like from handmade from a very cool person that has children, and I support that and everything. It's really nice. So I'll put the link down below from Amazon where I got it, and you could test it out, try it out, but I highly recommend it. And that's it. If you suggest any bath bombs that you've used or anything of that nature, you could tell me in the comments below. I would love to try new things, new bath bombs. Talk to me, let me know. I'm here. I'm all ears. I can hear you. Thank you so much for your input. So on that note, that's all with the video. That's all with the video. I will see you guys later. Bye.